Looking for the ultimate upgrade for your car without spending thousands on a new head unit? Then check out the wireless Apple CarPlay Screen with 4K dash cam, your all-in-one car companion. This 9-inch portable CarPlay Android Auto stereo brings smart technology right to your dashboard. No complicated installation, just plug, play, and go. Enjoy Apple CarPlay Android Auto completely wireless. Stay connected with maps, calls, messages, and music hands-free. 4K front dash cam 1080p backup camera means crystal clear recording for both driving and reversing safety. GPS navigation mirror link keeps you on the right track, while voice control makes driving safer and smarter. Bluetooth high-quality speakers for crystal clear calls and music streaming. And yes, it fits almost any car, portable, simple, and powerful. So why wait? Transform your driving experience today with the wireless Apple CarPlay Screen with dash cam backup camera. Link is in the description below. Grab yours now before it sells out. Upgrade your ride, stay safe, and drive smarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing car tech reviews.